Hello! Ayan, so for today's video guys, I am going to try to attempt to do a photo shoot here in Antarctica and also video shoot na lang din because today we are here in a beautiful Neko Harbor. Ayan, so we're gonna try to go upstairs and mag photo shoot tayo. And this is the history of the whole world because I will gonna try to attempt to be the one of the maybe um, one of the drag queen who stepped or visited in Antarctica, and of course to claim the to claim the throne to be an ice queen, the first Asian ice queen on Antarctica. So let's do this. So see you later guys. So yeah, today is the weather is very sunny, it's not that cold but you feel the chill, so I'm so excited. So let's do this. And of course, I'm from Davao City, Philippines. So hopefully it could make history to the world and to my country. Kakaloka. So susubukan natin. Ang ganda dito guys, kaya wala pang nakakagawa nito. Ako pa lang. Ayan, so I'm so excited. So bye bitches! Hey yo ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my vlog guys. For today's video guys, I am going to do a drag queen in Antarctica. I am going to attempt to one of the first drag queen, Asian drag queen here in Antarctica. As you can see, I am doing my full makeup now. Lamig kayo. With my outfit, ang pailas ng silangan kasi I'm from Davao City in Philippines. So, let's do this. Hopefully, it will gonna make it happen. Anong atake ko ngayon, Day? Wala lang, ito lang. Kakin-kakinan. And of course, this is the first time in the history of the world. Yes, I believe there are some drag queens na they already been in Antarctica, but I never heard of Asian drag queen who is already there na nag-outfit and nagrampa fashion show. So let's do this. Hopefully we're gonna make it happen today. So see you there. So guys, this is how I hide my outfit guys, because you know you need to be ready in Antarctica because it's very wet there, and I believe we're gonna be wet like you're gonna be shower. So you need to hide, and then later you need to show up like this, like that. That's it. See? Then you have parka. You need to hide your jacket, diba? Because it's very cold here in Antarctica. So let's do this. I know we're gonna make it today, and laban lang. Let's hide my identity guys. First, we are hiding our identity so that the guests will not gonna be surprised with me. Then you go like this with ribbon. So we are fully hide ourselves because you know the guests were gonna confuse what I am gonna be look like, because you know I'm doing makeup, drag queen makeup, so I need to be full hide, still beautiful. See you later. Hello guys. So yeah, I think we're gonna make it to do drag queen in Antarctica. Look at my eyeshadow. It's beautiful, like the ice in Antarctica baby.
Oh, the flower?
Hello Facebook, hello YouTube, hello Instagram. I am here in Neko Harbor in Antarctica, and I am the first drag queen, Asian drag queen here. Nakapunta dito. Ang saya, B. Yes, B. Are you like that? Yes, baby. Hello, guys. I am here in Antarctica. I am the first Asian drag queen in the whole world. Ang lamig. Na. Guys, I'm here in Antarctica, guys. Ako ang Asian drag queen na pumunta lang dito. First time. First Asian drag queen here in Antarctica. Okay, maganda, saya. Ah, correct. Ah, super sayang.